Are you feeling that jittery buzz from too much coffee? It's time for a refreshing change. Start by gradually reducing your daily cups. Instead of a sudden stop, swap 1 cup for a calming herbal tea or a smooth, decaffeinated brew. This keeps your cherished morning ritual while gently easing your caffeine intake. Are you feeling a bit dry? Hydration is key. Often, our bodies confuse thirst with tiredness, leading us to reach for that extra cup. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to maintain your energy. Healthy snacks can completely revitalize your energy. Imagine munching on crunchy almonds, biting into juicy, bright fruits, or enjoying creamy yogurt. These treats can elevate your mood and keep you alert without the crash that caffeine brings. Picture yourself feeling refreshed and focused, free from those shaky jitters. Looking for more ideas? Why not trade your morning coffee for a colorful smoothie? Packed with vitamins and flavor, it can awaken your senses deliciously. Ready to break the coffee habit smoothly? Give these tips a try. Your body will thank you for it. Embrace a healthier lifestyle and enjoy the benefits of reduced caffeine. Together, we can make this happen. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.